Guys, I don't think I've ever seen this much detail on the back of a headstone. Alrighty guys, we're back. We got the new camera and we're on the way to a new cemetery that we've never been to in Okeechobee, Florida. It's called Bassinger Cemetery. Let's go! Mom, look at this truck. Alrighty guys, so we're on the road. I'll show you what the phone's direction's looking like.
These are one-liners.
Look at this.
Back road one-liners.
See this? The directions. You can see on the map we're in the middle of nowhere. Look, I'll try to pull it out for you. Yeah, it's in the middle of nowhere.
I don't even know what town this is right here.
Yeah.
Right? What?
Yeah, guys, at night this is awful, man. And here she is driving. You know, I'm navigating. You know. And yeah, guys.
And we're busting it out.
Let's go see what we can find. Yeah, where that pickup's turning. Slow down. Slow down. Whoa.
Sorry.
You're good. Whoa. Slow down more. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. You can't have barbecue and sweet tea.
But you do the same thing too.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
It's going fast.
Yeah, guys, this is just nuts.
Sorry,
look at all these cows, guys. Look. Try to zoom in for you. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh my God.
Yeah, have we ever been this way?
No, but we have fed the cows, right?
Yeah.
We just picked up grass like this and fed them.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Right up here, your next left. It's your next left. Yep, right here. Yep, Bassenger Cemetery. Yeah, let me show them the sign real quick. Look at this, guys. We've never been here before. This is a first. Oh boy, we're in the middle of nowhere. Look, no outlet. Yeah. We got the AC on, so I gotta chill, but yeah.
In the shade, they're so smart.
Yeah.
Right?
Roll that up. Yeah, we keep on going straight. It says Bassenger Cemetery to the right with this sign right here. Keep going. Yeah, I guess it's to the right, Ma. Guys, we bring you cemeteries all over the state of Florida, so, you know, you can definitely tell a friend. Check out the playlist section.
This is crazy.
Yeah, we're almost at 150 cemeteries. That's the goal right now. Look at that historic sign. We're here, guys. Wow, it's a lot. We're going to cover the first grave, historic. Wow. All right, let me get out real quick. Yeah. All right, guys. Wow. Check this out, guys. Okeechobee side of the Kissimmee River was the beginning. Guys, the sun's in my eye, but yeah, definitely pause it and read it. Look, I'll show you the other side. And yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere, dude. Look at this. Oh, this might be better. The first non-native settlers moved to the Bassenger area after the Civil War. Many of the pioneers who moved to the area during the 1870s and 1880s were involved in the beef cattle industry and the lush grasslands of the Kissimmee River. Yeah, so make sure you're reading this, guys. You know, history right here. And yeah, look at this. Look at this over here. Look at over there. Let me go grab her. See what she's doing. This is the first time we're at the cemetery. Ma! Look what caught my eye. Look at this. Gonna try to Not give you guys a glare. Oh, rest in peace. Rest in peace. September 22nd, 1969 to April 4th, 2019. Tammy Lynn, rapper. Alrighty guys, check this out. Chad's still alive. Rest in peace. Mom, look at this grave with the flowers. Colburn. (1923 to 1975). Something, right? Look at this. What are you thinking of everything? Oh my God! Look behind this. Guys, I don't think I've ever seen this much detail on the back of a headstone. Wow. Got the airboat. He's fishing. Yeah, definitely. Come over here. Oh, wow. Michael. Keep going. Look at this. A lot of airboater. A lot of cattlemen. Look at Curtis. Born May 18th, 1928. Passed February 2nd, 2013. And look, there's a big glare, but you can see O'Neill, Julian, you know. Look at this one. Such detail. Very interesting. Oh wow. Rest in peace, man. Keep walking. She's just eating. Let me chill over here. Look at this. Rest in peace. Ma, she passed away on your birthday. Yeah. Rest in peace. Book. It's pretty cool. At time. Walker. See if I can zoom in for you guys. Alright. Yeah. Rest in peace. Look at the NASCAR. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. There's a huge cemetery. Look at this. It's really in the middle of nowhere, guys, this cemetery. You know? Really. I know we're the first people to cover it because I was looking up information about it and I couldn't find anything. Lily and Edgar. Yeah, so guys, this is something, you know. I really had to stress to you this, you know. Oh, well, rest in peace. Okeechobee Sheriff's Office. It's crazy. I'm not gonna go over there because the glare on the camera. Gotta fix the settings. But yeah, look at this. Look at this. I can't even read this. James W. Cribbs, May 16th, 1919 to April 5th, 1967. Addie Gibbs, March 15th, 1889 to March 21st, 1914. It's crazy. Yes, you can see. Look at that sun. Oh my god. Yeah, how big it is. Look, we'll go cover this one. This one caught my eye. I guess we'll go over here. Look at this. Look at this one. Robert Scott. Wow. Rest in peace. Wow. Rest in peace, man. Look at this one. December 20th, 1926 to October 6th, 1999. Junior Ray Sane. Wow. Let's keep going. I'm gonna have to get home. But yeah. Pretty interesting. Raulerson. Huh. Yeah, I've had to show you. Yeah. The Williams. Willie and I got the same birthday. I had to come closer. Wow, look at this picture. Rest in peace. Passed in 1959, born in 1872. His wife, September 10th, 1874 to June 30th, 1957. Wow. We don't really see a red grave like this. Yeah, make sure you're watching this on the TV. Let me know if this scan QR code works. But yeah, here's the rules. Here's the steps. Alrighty guys, and that was a tour. We're the first people to ever film here, and we appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for watching.